Hi and hello, this is Chef Dinakaran from 3 Dots and Dash. Today we are going to create a perfect snack with these nice McCain Pop Corn Fries. It has a unique and nice structure with zig-zag shape. It is also a day-to-day snack with every age. It's restaurant quality, excellent in every bite. And let's start with this Mexican popcorn loaded fries. Let's begin by frying this bite-sized McCain popcorn fries. We can bake them and also we can air fry them, fry for 3 minutes. And meanwhile, once the pan is hot, nice and hot, add your chopped garlic. It takes just 3 minutes to get this golden brown color. Add your refried beef sauce. Let's plate this loaded Mexican McCain poppers with your bed of red kidney bean. You can do step by step with loading them. Believe me guys, it's going to be delicious. Add tomato salsa. Fresh coconut salad chopped with sour cream. Edible flour, if any. Yes.